Prolong the inevitable. I will kill you!
Hello everyone, Buddy here at House of Props, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Crysknife from the original Dune movie. I split the original file, link in the below description, into two pieces so it could fit more easily onto the print bed, scaled both pieces up by 39.7%. This will give you a prop approximately the size of the one used in the film. To join the pieces together, I used CA glue and made sure to line up the design on the grip exactly. Hit that subscribe and notification button so you can be notified about our awesome future builds. Once I was happy with the alignment, I set the CA glue with a drop or two of zip kicker. To fill the seam, I apply Bondo glazing and spot putty with a putty knife to the gap. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area because the fumes are extremely toxic. Once the putty had cured, I smoothed it out with a 120 grit sandpaper. When the seam area was smooth, I used the same sandpaper and smoothed out the print lines. Then I coated the entire piece with a filler primer. This will help fill any print lines that were missed or inaccessible. Once the filler primer had cured, I used a 180 grit sandpaper to smooth out any bumps or ridges. Then coated the entire thing again with a flat white primer. To achieve the correct color, I used Apple Barrel's khaki and Golden Sunset acrylic and applied a smooth coat to the areas that are the sandworm's tooth. Washes of nutmeg brown and burnt umber were used in the divots and crevices of the tooth blade and grip. To prepare areas that would look like metal, I used blue painter's tape to cover all the tooth detail. I will often use the tape around the edges and cover large areas with plastic wrap in order to save tape. Spray the proper areas with a metallic silver, and when the spray paint has dried, just remove the tape. And with those few easy steps, you have Paul Atreides' Crysknife he used to kill Fade Rothnot in the 1984 original Dune movie. If you are enjoying these videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, if you are building any of my builds or using any of my templates, feel free and tag me at House of Props on Instagram and Twitter because I would really like to see your fantastic work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.